Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I explained to you about index and match with picture lookup. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you about array and index match, and that is let us see our sample data. You can see this. This is my sample data. You can download it from my description. Now, why are we using your array formula? You see, I have got three options here. Category, that is, if you see your veg, I've got many categories over here. Veg is there, non-veg is there, and size I've got extra large, large is there, then medium is there, and items. So there are many options. Duplicate options are there. So that's the reason if you want to specifically search for a particular category or size or item, so it should tell me what is the price. So how can I use this formula? But before you do the formula, you can use a data validation for category, size, and item. So I'll just give myself one on my category option. I will click over here, data, and I will click on this icon, data validation, settings, and list. Now here, because see, I have got duplicates over here. So if I select the range, it will give me the duplicate also. So I cannot select it over here. So you can type it. So for example, I'm just typing your veg in the source main. So write veg first, comma, and not veg. So this are the two items which I wanted in this option, category. And then you can say okay. So you can click over here, see, get veg and not veg over here. And size, in size option, I would like to have extra large and medium. I can keep yourself under here, click on data option and come here, data validation, settings, list. In source may you have to type here extra, I'm just typing here extra large. First option is extra large. I'll just write here extra large, comma. Then I want an option called as large also, comma, and medium. So these are the 1, 2, 3. So these are three items which is coming over here. Okay. So I click over here, I get extra large, large, and medium. Items may I have got pizza is there, burger is there, and sandwich. So these are three things which should be coming in this item option. So again, I'll click on data validation, list. Source again, you can type your pizza. First is pizza. So I'll write pizza over here, comma, then burger, comma, and sandwich. So these are my three items in items pane. Okay. So now if I select any of these category from here, for example, I'm just selecting veg over here. Size, I'm just selecting, okay, extra large. Items, if I say I would like to check with pizza. So what is the price? Veg, extra large, pizza. So what is the price? That's what I want over here. Now this is extra large, this is large. Large price is 80, extra large price is 100. So it should show me 100 over here. So the formula you'll have to use is index, bracket open, select this price from G2 till G20, sorry. So from G2 to G20, comma, then match, bracket open, and you write your 1, that is exact match. So you write 1 over here, comma, bracket open. What is my first option that I'm searching with? Category. So category is your B1. So click on B1 over here, equal to, and where is your category? It is in D2 till D20. So click over here, D2 till D20, bracket close. So this becomes your category. Then start, because I'm continuing my formula, so asterisk, bracket open. My next one is size, that is this B2. So click on B2 is equal to, where is size? It is over here, E2 till E20. So this part I have selected, close the bracket, asterisk again bracket open. And my last item is items, right? So that is B3 is equal to, and where is your items? It is from your from F2 to F20. So this I have selected till F20, close the bracket, comma 0. 0 stands for exact match. If it is not there in your list, it will not come. 2 time bracket close because twice I have opened it. Now I will not press enter because see I am searching with 3 options over here, category, size and item. So I cannot press enter. This is an array formula. So that's why you have to press, after you finish typing this formula, you have to press from your keyboard Control, Shift and enter from your keyboard. So when you press Control, Shift and enter from your keyboard, you can see 100 is coming, which extra large pizza is 100. If I change it, instead of veg, if I click on non-veg here, extra large, okay, non-veg extra large pizza, no, see 115. And instead of extra large, if I click on large pizza, that is non-veg I'm talking about, large pizza, see 90. And instead of item over here pizza, if I change to something else, burger, if I select, see non-veg I'm talking about here, and large, that is burger, so 65. So this is how you can use this formula of yours called as array with index and match. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next